I don't know what you're asking me. I don't
Are
know
you
what a rear
mental? Are
is. What you
you,
want me to answer a question I don't know?
I
Mr.
can,
Hudson? Do you have mental issues where you don't understand things?
I don't have mental issues, bro.
Okay.
I don't
All right.
understand.
All right. Do you both swear the testimony that you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Ms. Correa, go ahead.
Your Honor, the state of Texas filed a motion to confirm arrears and a modification. After reviewing the circumstances in the case, the state is declining to move forward with their modification. We don't think circumstances have changed and meet the requirements. We have a partial agreement. The parties agree that child support arrears should be released. The child support arrears today was $1,953 with 83 cents. Again, that's $1,953 with 83 cents. Those the state does not have an interest in those arrears, so we do not object to a release, and we would not object to the mother's request that it be $0 after the release, that a judgment be taken against the father. There is a disagreement as far as the medical support arrears, so I will call the parties regarding that. I now call the mother. Ma'am, can you state your name for the record?
Ashley Seibel.
And ma'am, how are those children covered through insurance?
They have Medicaid.
Okay, and did they have Medicaid in the past order?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And ma'am, the state is wanting medical support arrears to be $681 with 40 cents as of 8/26/25, because we do have an interest in those arrears, and we're asking that payment be set at $75. Are you in agreement with that?
Do I agree with it?
Yeah.
I
Do
can't
you,
object to it, right? So
ma'am, you can agree to something or not agree to something. That's just what the
I'm not
state.
understanding how that's for me to agree to. I thought that was not optional.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. I understand your position. Um, Ma'am, has there been any family violence since the last order?
No,
Okay, and is there any reason to keep your address private from this court record?
no, ma'am.
Okay, I pass this witness. I call the father. Actually, let me ask you one more question. Did you hear the agreement that I read that you are asking for child support arrears to be released?
Are you asking me?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is that your position?
Yes, I would like for them to be released.
And you understand that once they're released, the OAG can't assist you in recovering them, okay?
Correct. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I pass this witness. I call the father. Sir, can you state your name for the record?
Chris, I don't understand how you're a witness, and I don't even know you.
What's your
Your
full name,
Honor.
sir?
Christopher Hudson.
Okay. Sir, are you in agreement that your child support arrears be zeroed out?
I agree that I shouldn't be on child support at all.
That's not the question,
Uh,
Mr. Hudson.
Yeah, I don't even know this lady. Y'all just telling me to be answer this lady questions. I don't even know who this is. You say I'm her witness. How am I her witness? I don't know her. She
You're a
just
Objection
witness.
non-responsive.
You're a witness because you're a party in this case. You are a party. You're a parent here. Ms. Correa is an attorney that works for the Attorney General's office. The
y'all
Attorney
just
General's office
put me
filed
on
this
child
petition.
support.
Excuse me,
Y'all
I'm
not even
talking,
letting me
sir.
talk. Y'all,
Excuse me, I'm talking. You want an explanation? I'm giving you an explanation. You don't want to listen. That's your problem. The AG filed this petition. Ms. Correa represents the Attorney General's office. She's going to be asking you questions. She's going to give you an opportunity to explain your position. It's not necessarily that we're all agreed with your position, but giving you an opportunity to speak. If you don't want to speak, that's fine too. I can make a judgment without you speaking, if you don't want to cooperate with that. But I would like to hear your position, and then I can decide your case and make a ruling. Do you understand that, Mr. Hudson?
Just answer. Y'all gonna let me speak and not just answer her questions?
Do
Y'all
you
ain't letting me
understand?
speak. Y'all
Do
just
you
keep letting me
understand what I
answer
just said,
questions.
Mr. Hudson?
I don't understand what you're talking about because y'all not answering my questions.
Do you understand what I just told you, Mr. Hudson?
No, I don't, sir.
Okay. Are you able to understand English?
Yep.
Okay. Is there something that you can't understand?
I'm asking you, am I gonna be able to talk? You said you're gonna be able to explain yourself. I said, am I gonna be able to talk and not just answer questions? You're asking me questions,
No,
I'm gonna be able to explain myself.
no. You're
I
going to
have
be
never
asked
been able to
questions.
talk. Y'all just put me on
We're going
child
to ask
support.
you questions and then you're going to answer, and that's how court works. When you're in court, I don't know if you've ever
Man,
seen a law
I
show.
get to defend
Excuse me,
myself.
I'm
I
going to have
don't
to
get
mute you again. You're not listening. You have questions, but you don't like answers. If you've ever seen a court show, you see that an attorney asks questions and then someone gives answers. That's the way it works in court. We don't just go through a whole long story of what it is you want to say, and then that's how it works. That's not how it works in court. Okay? You are going to be asked questions. And when you're asked questions and when somebody else is talking, you're respectful of the other person and you don't talk over them, which is why you keep getting muted because you keep talking over other people. Ms. Cortez is going to ask you questions. Give us your answers. That's how it works. There's no other way.
Your Honor, I would just like to share my screen to show a copy of the pay record.
Well, let's just ask him questions and then you can
Okay.
That's
interject.
what I'm saying. These attorneys don't care. They just want to throw you on child support. She talk,
Sir, what type of insurance does your child have?
you gotta talk to his mama. I don't. You
I didn't
Oh,
understand your answer, Mr. Hudson. What's your answer?
talk to his mom.
Okay.
objection non-responsive.
Sustained.
Sir, are you in agreement that you owe $681.40 in medical support arrears?
I guess.
Objection non-responsive.
Sustained. We need a yes or no answer, not a guess.
Bro, what do you, I don't even know what y'all asking me. Y'all just want me to answer anything and just give you a yes or no to what I don't know what y'all asking me. That's why I should be able to ask questions. I don't know what you asking me. I don't
Are
know
you
what a rear
are
is. What you want
you
me to answer a question I don't know?
I
Mr.
can
Hudson, do you have mental issues where you don't understand things?
I don't have mental issues, bro.
Okay.
I don't
All right.
understand.
I
Mr.
can
Hudson, do you have mental issues where you don't understand things?
I don't have mental issues, bro.
Okay.
I don't
All right.
understand.
I don't believe you.
It seems like a simple question. Do you agree you owe $681.40? You can say yes or no. I guess it's not a yes or no. So you can say whichever you want to say, but that's the typical answers are yes or no.
Okay, no, I don't agree.
Okay,
Okay, thank you. Your Honor, I'd like to move to present the pay record in this case.
go ahead.
Crazy, bro. That's my
Do
kid.
not talk while no one's asking you a
Okay.
question.
Your Honor, I'm presenting what's been marked as State's Exhibit 1. This is the pay record in the case. Here is the name of the father. Here is the name of the mother. I ask that it be admitted for all purposes.
State Exhibit A is submitted.
Your Honor, I would like to show that
Crazy, bro.
$681.40 is being reflected in medical support arrears, and that the state does have an interest in those arrears. Can I stop sharing my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One moment. Sir, did you see where I presented the pay record? Objection non-responsive.
Sustained.
Sir, this is your opportunity. As a judge mentioned, you will have
Ma'am,
an
I
op.
don't know you. I don't have anybody here to judge me. You just telling me this and that. I don't know
I
you.
pass this witness, Your Honor, and
Sustained. Ms. Seibel, if you could unmute one more time, please.
Sorry, I didn't know how to do it.
No problem. All right, so I don't know what's going on with Mr. Hudson today. He's very angry today. No reason to be angry. This is pretty simple. Is he coercing you to waive these child support arrears? I see that I don't think he's ever made a payment to you. Is he coercing you to waive the arrears?
No.
Are you under any duress to waive the arrears because he may try to attack you or do something to you later?
No.
Okay, you understand that he has to make child support payments through the child support office in the future. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay. All right, let me go ahead and make a ruling. It's pretty simple. I don't know why it's got to be so difficult. But all right, so child support arrears are zero after the release. So there's no past due child support in its order. Child support for the future must be paid through the child support office. It cannot be paid directly to the mother. If you don't make payments to the child support office, then they're going to bring you to court over and over again. It doesn't sound like either one of y'all enjoy being here. So if you don't want to be here, pay your child support through the child support office. They'll keep track of your payments. And if there's no balance, then there's no reason we should have to come back to court. There's medical support arrears because the state of Texas has provided medical care for your child. So you owe $681.40 for that, and that needs to be paid at $75 a month until paid in full. Also, the current medical also has to be paid through the child support office. Court calls bill to Mr. Hudson, and we're not changing the support amounts. They're going to remain as the prior amounts. All right, the Attorney General's office will enter that order. They'll email you a copy after I sign off it in a couple of days and adjust your withholding order. All right, y'all are done with court. You can press leave on the Zoom to exit out. Thank you.